In today's session, I'll show you how you can, install Open 5G core. So this is a open library. Let me just open it and share my screen. Okay, so this is the Open 5GS. You can just Google it and you will come to this page, Open 5GS. Just click this link, follow me on GitHub. When you click it, you will be redirected to this library, Open 5GS. So this is actually written in C language. You can download the code as well. And if you want, you can install it. So in today's session, I will show you how to install it in either on VirtualBox, or let me do one thing. I will just install it on, uh, so like I've already installed it on VirtualBox. You can install it on VirtualBox as well. So suppose I want to install it, I will just type 15GS, okay, in your VirtualBox, and you can specify the folder where you want to keep it. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of memory available, and you can just click okay, select Ubuntu in the type version, and you have to select at least 2 GB of memory, and you can just create it. Click next, and just create. So as soon as you create it, you can start. You need to download Ubuntu 18.04, or maybe the file which is more than that. So you can just Google it, like, and go to Ubuntu desktop, and you can click download. The current version is 20.04, so you can just click download and it will start downloading. So no need to do anything. It will download. I will cancel it because I've already downloaded it. So I will just select Ubuntu 18.04, which is there, and you can just start. So it will start, you can say, live session for Ubuntu, and then you can correspondingly install it. So it is boot up now. So I can either try, using live CD, or I can install it. It's better to install, and you can just click next. You don't need to do anything, and it will install directly. Use minimal installation. We don't need any games, etc. And you just click continue, and just install now. Okay, continue. Okay, select your location for date and time. Put a username. So just putting it 12345, and you can just continue, and it will start installing. So it will copy the files to your disk, and it will install Ubuntu. You see, my Ubuntu has been installed. I will just restart it now. I'll just press enter, and you just need to check if the optical drive is still connected or not. So if you can see the detail here, it is supporting release 16. Click on the docs, and it will tell all the tutorials that related to Open 5GS, and you can go to quick start, and it has the same diagram that I showed you, and in the bottom you have how to install in Ubuntu. So you just need to follow this step, and it will be installed. So I'll just show you. It's pretty easy. Okay, just click next, done. Open a terminal. Just type sudo apt install software properties common, put your password, and it will install the package which is software properties common. Click yes. There's a small library. All right, the last thing you need to do, sudo apt install open5gs, and it will install the library. It will take some time because it is a bit big package. It is 231 MB. Okay, so you see it is installed, and if you see, you should just check. So this is started AMF configuration. Okay, so you can use this command sudo service open5gs, whatever service you want to start, it will start, and you can use it to connect it. Next is you need to have UV ransom installed. So I will just show you how to install UV ransom. Go to this library, GitHub, UV ransom. I will share the link with you, and you have this wiki here. You can click here, and you have installation method here. So you can follow it. I'll show you quickly. Just clear. First, you need to install Git so that you can use Git to copy it. I have to manually type it because I have not selected the shared clipboard. So you can go to machine settings, and I think there is an option for shared clipboard. You can just select it, and probably you would be able to copy it now. You need to restart. So you can just follow this step. Okay, these are the libraries that you need to install. You can just put them in one line. So this is also written in C and C++. So you will require the CMake, which is used to compile the I guess the software from the C code, and that it will compile on your VirtualBox only. In the next, what we will do, we will install UVRAN in 5GC in different you can say virtual machines. We'll try to communicate both the virtual machines, and we will see how to how this will work. Then what we will do, we will install UPF into a different virtual machine, and we'll try to communicate it. So this would be you can say the 5G code, the G node B, and the UPF into different virtual machine. Then we will go to containers, where we will install you can say Docker, and configure this into a different you can say virtual machines. Sorry, different containers. You don't need to do anything else. Just go to UV ransom and type make. It will take around 5 minutes to compile all the, you can say, code, C code, and it will generate the complete, you can say, executable files. Okay, I will go to this directory UE ransom. I will just type make, and it will, start compiling all the, you can say, code. So once it is done, you will be having these two, you can say, directories. Like this. So you have to just go to this UE ransom, type build, and in the build directory you have nrgnodeb and nrue. So first you need to execute nrgnodeb -c config directory. In the config directory you have the configuration file open5gs, and if you are wanting to connect to the gnodeb, you need to use open5gs gnodeb yml. So in this way you can execute it.